Good afternoon. Okay, dira. Duha. Years na to. Okay. So, today is June 4, 2026. One day now. Thursday. Thursday. So, 10 na to. Oh, come. Signing. First. And, okay. Para no. Pandile. Oh, pandile. Okay. Tako. Oh, kasi huwag mo tulungan. Wait lang. Ito lang. Ano para clear, understand? Oh, tako. Thank you. So, name, sign name. So, why man sign name, anak? What use? Tungkol sa arm. Tungkol sa mole, sa near, sa eyes. You understand? So, tell where it from? Province. North, south, east, west. Samar. Samar. Take mobile. Address. Address na. Where? Who? Sige pa. Okay. Okay, so what sign undo? So undo. So Canala Island. So wala lang i-undo. Ando Island. Ando Island. So near in eastern Samar. Samar sign direct. Not here. The same. To both. To understand. So send Samar there. Then we when study in CPU, when graduate, here. So the last 4 years we can do it. The fitness for 2022 here, CTU, where first in the world. Sa Samar. So, sa Samar, what man ang work? Sa computer. DSWD. Sa DSWD Samar. Where man nga place sa Samar? Where place? Place. Philip. Burungan. Where? Burungan. So, manay center of East Samar. Mula center. Understand? Pila ka months or work. What man ang work? Computer. Disability. What ang video mo? Including. Pila ka months work? 3 months. Right? job order. Kasi 3 months, 3 months. So pila ka years nag-work dito sa disability sa 3 months ra, end na yun. So 3 months, then decide. Then where next na work? Sa Cebu. So 2023. Cebu City. Where work? Dito na Cebu. What work sa restaurant sa what time to be Chinese? What time? So shrimp day. So shrimp there, so to be so restaurant. So what ang work? Restaurant. What ang work in first na work? So it was here 6 months. There 6 months. Become 6 months asan later. Next 6 months. 2 years na. So 2 years. So 2023 Japanese 24. 2023. 2024. So almost 2 years then next mag-cook. What naman yung nagdado? What naman yung dito yung cook? Chef na? Dili pa. Tira. See daw sa cellphone. Cellphone. Where? Right. Right. What ang gikok? What ang gikok sa fried? Chicken, shrimp, what other? Pata, crispy pata, o kasasapi, o sling, crispy pata, leg, o pork leg. So pila, what man good experience na experience sa cooking, how man sa igo o sa oil. So first what idea, utangan nimo flour para nimo or water, fine ba? So wait. So maybe ang orders, ikaw na dito, pila mo ka mag-cook na depth dito, ikaw na. Diwan. Sa kitchen, diwan. So if mag-cleaning, so not siya mag-cooking. Yung puro-puro niya, difficult. So need focus. Sa first, dishwashing, what man, only plates, heavy, how it mabuak, how it mabroken, okay. Plastic. So wala ang katong cooking, meaning katong pan and cook ba? Diba itong kung gana din. Kinsa may mag-clean natin? Same. Oil, sulit na rin. So ang imo ara focus, plate and glasses. What other? What meaning? Let's spell. Okay, spell. Sa plate ra. Only other. Tingnan what mean that order? Wala. So plate ra ang cleaning. Tayo. Sila ko people nga mo come. So next, crispy pata, then dili fried na. Sila man siya po order sa leg in one day. Yes, or after it. Pila man ma-order. O pila ma-order, maybe 20 or 100 pila ka. Kaya imong i-cook one day. Guess, missing, guess pila, maybe 50. Ang ina na. Pila ka minutes ang i-cook sa pata? Pila ka minutes? 3 minutes? Or 2 hours at first? So pila ka buok. It become brown, move another. So how it be cute, depende. So now normal. Brown, hasta ma-brown na, become transfer. Sunod brown na. Pero iba first. Kailangan naman ito muguro nga iba. Feathers, lig sa panisan. If neither teeth, good, clean. Okay, ka restaurant. Man. Sa customer, sa clients. So very strict ang boss. Ang head. Ang head or supervisor. Strict. I-check if good quality ang katong na na-cook ni Nico. So more na experience kay 2023, 2024, 2026 naman now, become na ka-chef. So what naman i-cook? I-cook sa chef. Ikaw na only taste, or mo taste na ito. What man ang role or work sa chef? Chef na? What man ang role sa chef? Mo try ra sa taste, salty or sweet, o ano mo na ito. So once na, different na responsibility. Finish naman ito. So now, if chef lang, taste if lacking salt or lacking sweet, okay, sometimes sweet and sour, lacking sweet and sour, diba, mix, how man taste, diba, different man taste, tunay room sa restaurant. What man ang room, first, improve sa pagdo sa work, focus, so what other, not malate, not absent, never, always behave. So, now, pila ka buo, there itong chef. Ikaw na. At sa other nga branch, si Jason, SM, decide. Sa other, si Nico o si Nito, sa Manilan, sa Uyang. So, daghan na there. Sa SM side, sa SM City, there nga chef. Sa SM City, Sara. Sa SM City, hearing pa siguro. Hearing pa person. But it might improve. So, what you like the work, pass to computer first. Then transfer sa food. Kaya na. Challenge? Challenge. Learn to improve. Why? Hindi mo ang responsibilities kay how man ang taste if not good. Or maybe if sometimes maybe baho ba ang katong leg, katong ito. Experience. You, don't know by experience, teach, workmates. So, don't know how to learn, sa leg. Then, put, then wrong, then good, then teach, become, meaning sa color, nga brown. Become brown, so move to good, chop. Yeah. Then, crispy, with sound. The same chicharon, if hard, blend, kay maybe freeze, pila ka house. Yan na, pag-cook ni mo, cool pa, room. So, how man, if gikan sa freezer, first freezer, ibutang sa hot, then become siya, mato na siya, need ng power. So, not na maigo sa oil. So, experience na. So, big ang katong pan. Pila ka buklin nga tulo. Limit ra tulo. Limit ra so big. Big nga leg. May ra. Dili lang apart. So, not machine. Only chop with knife. Not machine. Cut. So, knife. So what man good experience now nga stay put dito sa other resign man surrender sa work Nico continue. Oh, I like to continue because good experience. Before 3 months training, 2 months cooking, it's very hard. So you try good experience then 2 months. So first, how man ang training sa pag-cook? You visit other Chubi restaurant, then other maybe SMC side, kaya pa na mag-observe ito first kaya sa pag-training. Kaya, why? Go dito, busy man business, how? Not easy. So need focus, then learn sa other branches o tubi-tubi. Why? Kaya if now na mag-cook, how man busy man people, so need improve. Wow, if marong, blame you. If marong, sometimes, how man learn what man ang wrong sa pag-cook now. So, when nag-start to cook? 2026, 2025. So what month? What month sa 2025 nag-cooking start? Training first, December 2025. Now, so pila man ka days or days ang training? 1 month, 2 months, 2 months. Start 15 days. 15 days. Start training. Then next, successful, i-give na responsibility sa imo ha. So if become black ang fried nga day, how blame you? So you need control. See, not ignore. Not ignore. Okay, how? Smell. You need to listen. Naman para clear sa other day. You may punish or maybe maindo sa salary. So memo. 3 days suspension. So not by experience. So other debt for hearing, if not responsible, suspended or maybe out sa job. So about sa experience, then have naman benefits. SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, BIR, team. So now, when man to start pagka-regular? 2023, akong to regular. So when man? Pagka 6 months track. So mo na itong na SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, BIR, team, number. So now, kay become naman chef. So ano na siya? So more na responsibility. Ang only responsibility, late na yung mabuak or maybe itawag. Kay some other wise man. So need other pagka-waiter, if nana. So blame, panis siya kung pay sa salary. Then now, here sa mag-cook sa fried, sila man ang how much man ang pay or panis, telling mo 10 days ra suspended ang imong work. So now 2026 2023, so 3 years na continue sa work, no? Fine ra, successful. So ato invite other there if willing mag-work to be if accepted man for babae, bayot o tumboy, which accepted. Only HR, so ako observe only man, not babae, have accepted babae. Then, only man, they need strong. So, dito sa Chubi, ayala man mo ha, ayala. So, pila ka book there, accepted work. Now, only stay now. Who other there? From training, now new pa niya. So, pass, hindi naman ikaw book accepted sa debt. Pag together, hindi mo dito pass sa Chubi. Diba, others, design naman, kuman sa duha. So 3 pass. then I resign, ikaw na sa state. So, how man communication sa hearings about sign language. So, you teach them para aware, communication, para na-access, all. So, what man challenge now para ma-improve if don't know sa kitchen nga answer, then how if order. So, di man maka-communicate na, who will communicate you in order dito? Only paper, tipos, sorry, so how about this, which ang na first order, then finish, one to order, so not always clear, kay fast man dito, lead order, Ryan, inter, exit, how, o people cannot control, so yung mga dito responsibility, only pag-cook, patawa na, kasi yung sa paano to, sa rin, kung chicken, kila ka kilos rin, kilos, 16 in one day, or maybe one day, daghan, kung sa man, one sack, how man ito cook sa shrimp, by order, 3 minutes ra, kaya always ra oil, wala itong water, different to, with flour, so with skim or out, clean lagi guys. So kaya sa chicken, pila man ka kilos ang i-cook in one day. So 1 hour ang cooking, ang long time, brown gyapon color, with flour gyapon. Sa pa other cooking sa chicken, so wala gyapon katong water, add water, wala, only oil. Chinese na. So, in order dito, subutang pause, then finish, kinatay, so strict. Speak on time, see. So, makasign na. Pass. Only pass. The same, para sa Disney. So, wala. So, para vibrate. So, para movement, see, clear. Kaya business, continue, mini order. Asa nga, where gani, chuli. First, second, third, fourth, sa Ayala. Third floor, where near business. Pizza, yellow cup, mother's touch, sa up. Okay, second floor man to, may sa metro. Third pa, what time man ito open? Chubby restaurant. What time? 11. 10 or 11. Then close. 9 will be 8. So, Saturday, Sunday, 10 out. But, finish na dito cooking. Finish cooking nito. Then, mag-clean pa. Help pa mo mag-clean. So, what time I'm home? Before mag-clean, 8:30. So, always follow the time or follow the rules. So, 9. Okay. So, if inform, if absent, pila ka times na ni-absent dito sa work? How many times? Never. So, magsakit, how? So, only absent. So, inform niya po o na letter. 5 days o rest. So, leave with pay. Ang SSS mo in exchange sa company. So, naka-experience na pass. 2024. 2 times na. So, para inform, okay, only one day, how man bring enough urine, mix, to need information, para clear. If not clear, where man ka ask information na ma-explain for Nico, how man ask, so sa boss or sa supervisor, ask ka information about leave, about absent, or about benefits para good information, para clear ba, aware about their access while with hearing. The same naman mo, always daily, the same. Need improve. So always lang, patient, never surrender. Always, yapon. Yes, you other there, not easy. Mo find o money, kay always ask parents, yung anak, how? If parents patay, how? Di difficult life? Di difficult life. So need you behave. No absent, no late, always inform if mo absent. Okay, so I am thankful na visit now because long naman to time na mid 2022 pa, no? 2022. So 4 years past. Now understand? Ako happy for Rico and come interview for good experience in Chumbi restaurant. Thank you. Okay. Now understand?